Hi everybody, Dizzy Crafter here with another haul. It's a bit battered, this box, isn't it? A little bit, but not to worry, it's the content that matters. Let's dive in. And I wasn't sure what order this was, but it is actually a Pretty Gets Gritty order, which they had a huge sale on. I think it was 40% off website wide, so I went and got lots of little trinkets. So the first thing we got are these gorgeous resin flowers, and they are quite big. Let me just grab one open. The camera will focus, you'll see they are fairly large size and really nice. So that's the first thing we got. Then we got a bag of our metal charms. I think this must be a mixed bag because I'm pretty certain I bought these separate, like they came as 4 or something, so I think they have like stuck quite a few different ones in one bag. Then we got some clock faces. Another one of these, well, another 2 of those frames, so I was right, there was 4 of them, and 4 clock faces. And then we've got lots and lots of little bees, or wasps, I think the bees. How cute are those? So I've got lots of those. And then we got some filigree metal flowers. I'll just again get one out for you. There's another quite good decent size, and I feel like you could have it even. I'm thinking because it's only very thin metal, we may be able to push that down even further and give the flower even more shape, so I'll have a play with that. And then another bag of metalness. And I think these are all the same, and they're just really big butterflies that are metal. And again, I think they didn't come in a pack like this. I'm certain that I must have bought 2 or 3 because of how cheap they all were. So they've obviously must have doubled up in the bags, which saves plastic, which is what we're all after. Yes, this definitely was a mixed bag here that I didn't purchase. I purchased them all separately. They've definitely done that. Oh dear, we've lost quite a few of those. So we've got lots of, again, silver metals. We've got feathers, we've got leaves, we've got skeleton leaves. And they're just like losing them all. So there's lots of different mixtures of metals there. And then see if I can get this little flower here, it's poking out. We've got a little tiny resin flower, which I'll show you compared to the other one. You can see there's quite a big difference in size. Wow, I can imagine this is going to go everywhere as well. I can see we've got arrows, we've got hearts here with wings. We've got more flowers, we've got little copper roses. I really don't want to take this one out because I've just had that one explode on me. And I think that's more or less what's in here, but I remember getting these arrows and I got quite a few of those because they was a really good price. And then we've got another mixed bag here. Now I think I did buy this as a mixed bag. I could be wrong, but I think I did. And I'm trying to not get any glare, but it's very difficult with these bags. So we've got some like resin daisies, we've got cogs, we've got keys. So we've got lots and lots of really cool goodness in there. And then we've got more cogs, and we've got some stars, and we've got some keys again in there. And then I wanted to stock up on all like my gessos and stuff like this. And this is white gesso, I know it says height gesso, but it's obviously missing the W on the print, but it doesn't bother to me because I know that that's what that is. And then we got another gel medium. I love this stuff. I haven't actually ran out, but because of the sale, you may as well get them while they're in the sale. Oh, this is really heavy. And this is marble texture paste. I haven't actually got any of this, so I'm intrigued to see how this works and what it looks like in person. And I haven't got any of this either, which is the sand texture paste. So again, intrigued to see how that looks. And then we've got a thick texture paste. So all these things are quite new to me actually. I've never used any of them. And then some gritty iced crystal topping. Now I've got something similar to this and I'm thinking it's probably going to be the same thing, and it always reminds me of frog spawn. I don't know if you can kind of see that on the camera, if it'll pick up, but that's what it kind of reminds me of. So I don't know if it's going to be the same. I don't know if these are going to be sealed. If they are sealed, I'm not, yeah, it is sealed. I thought it would be, but if it wasn't, I would have showed you what I mean. In fact, let me see if I can get the actual one I'm on about. So hopefully my camera will focus, and this is what I mean, and this is what I'm thinking that one is exactly the same as, and it just literally does remind me of frog spawn. I do not know why. Does it remind anybody else of frog spawn? Have I got it completely wrong? That, oh, the pudding, oh, what was it called? Was it Sago? Something like that, wasn't it? That when we was kids at school you used to get it. That was what it reminds me of. One of them two. Anyway, I'm digesting, aren't I? Like, let's crack on. Then we got some pretty sparkles in Storm, and these are just little flat pieces of glitters from what I can gather. Let's see if we can get it undone without making too much of a mess. Yeah, they are. They're just flat pieces of glitter. We've got tons in there. I'll never have to buy another one of them, that's for certain. And then we got some stencils, which is this Tantric Rose, which I think is really, really pretty. And then we got the Taj Mahal, again, really, really pretty stencil. Then we got Pretty Posy Mask. And I think this is the last thing, and this is the last die I haven't got of theirs, so until they bring some more stuff out, of course. And this is the Gritty Pipes, so that has that, and then there's lots of the charms that went a little bit AY there as well. So that was my haul, guys. I would love it if you would please comment, subscribe, and give me a thumbs up if you don't mind. And hopefully I shall catch you in my next video. Bye!